Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can send an email from cPanel using Gmail. So let's get right into it. cPanel is an online graphics user interface based on Linux, which helps you when you're creating and managing a website, and it makes creating and managing a website and your servers much more convenient and easier. Now, to send the email, you're going to be following these steps. These are from the Namecheap site, and this is the Namecheap article. I'm using this purely for convenience since I cannot enter Namecheap or cPanel, and at the moment I cannot show you directly and demonstrate how that is done, so I'm going to be using these instructions. Hope you guys don't mind. This will be as clear as my demonstration would be, so just follow these steps and everything should be perfectly fine. First, what you want to do is go to Gmail and then click on the gear button and then choose the settings option. Then go to accounts and import and locate the send mail as option, and then add another email address. You'll get this pop-up window where you will enter your cPanel email address. You can keep treat as an alias if you wish to receive emails to your current Gmail inbox, or you don't need to. If you uncheck this, it'll come to your cPanel inbox. The next step is to set up an SMTP, which is a simple mail transfer protocol. For the following settings are to be used for the correct setup: the SMTP server on your account, which your account is hosted on, the username, the password, and the port, which is 465, with secured connection using SSL enabled, or 25, which with TLS disabled. Once you do that, just input all you want or all that you need to here in this pop-up window. Then you will need to verify your mail. A verification code will be sent to your cPanel email, and it can be checked in your webmail, and then verify your cPanel email account. After that, you will see it appear in the accounts and import section here, and that's pretty much it. When you're replying to a message, you can use reply from the same address the message was sent to, if you do not want to manually select the from field which address you replied from. And yeah, you can just select which address you would like to send a mail from, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.